Dad, cut that branch right there off. Not that one that goes like this, that one right there that hangs over. You cut it, it ain't gonna hit the fence. It's not long enough to hit the fence at all. But be careful, because it may hit the log, the bottom may kick out from the ladder if you look closely. Maybe I should just stand here and get hit with it. Be the next Martin Luther King. I have a dream to get hit with a tree. 6 block. That's how us Jenkins boys does it. Come here, kitty. The cat is safe. Fucking hole. What? Not yet. I'll tell you if it starts to move or crack. I'll tell you if it starts to move or crack. Okay. I have a dream to get hit with a tree. It's getting ready to go. That bitch is down. That bitch is down.
You like that?
I recorded it. I'm sending it to Mom.
Went right to where it was supposed to be.
Our measurements are correct. Please don't say you're dropping that one too. If you're dropping that one, we're taking the green poles out. You notched it a little better though.
Huh?
You notched it.